can do for me is to share my video if truly you like what I do. But if you don't like what I do, I don't have any problem with that. You know what I go? I can as well assume that you don't like what I do, and the only way for people to be motivated into doing what they are doing is when you see that people like what you do. If people are not sharing that video, what it means is that they don't like what you do. Jude, thank you very much. You know what I go? What they are doing to programs on massive reporting. They report programs massively. If you are not sharing it and you are not liking or clicking on love, then the report will overpower that video, and that video will go down. They keep posting. When I resume, they post it again. When I resume it, before you know it, the program ends there. So most people are not even helping us here. I have to be honest with you. I have to be honest with you. I'm not getting encouraged to keep doing what I am doing. The other go, Kenneth Shibes, I greet you. I am not getting encouraged to keep doing what I am doing. If I look at the reactions I am getting, I should be discouraged for doing what I am doing. Yeah. If I go by the comment, I'm not commenting anyway, because you can comment, but the best way to spread that message is if you share. That is the only way another person can see that video. Another person can see that video. But if you drop a comment, you have restricted that video to only your view, which is not what we are asking for. We want as many people as possible to see and hear our message. That is the joy of it. So if you join my live broadcast, the only thing you can do for me, if you don't, I'm not even saying give me money, the only thing you can do for me is share that video so that we can consolidate the message. I don't know, but anyway, let us continue. That program ended. I tried everything possible to keep bringing it back, but at the end of the day, or end there, our people are there like Ezioku. I don't know if I should join the group or team of people that keep lying to our people. I can do excessively well when I join that lying team. That is one thing you don't know. I can perform extremely well if I ever join that team of liars. Yes, if I join our people to start doing eye service na this Facebook, I will do very well. I know that I will do very well. Are you getting me? Ndị baya da like Ezioku, ndị baya na like okwu ase. I don't know why our people just like okwu ase. And you cherish and appreciate those people who lie to you, who deceive you, and who mislead you to the detriment of who? They na-egele okwu ase. You na enjoy your okwu ase, and they romance your ego. I pointed out the truth. And for the fact that my people who should be helping to be spreading this truth are doing eye service. Everybody they pretend they want to know Ezigbo mmadụ. At the right time, one day, we know onye Ezigbo mmadụ na onye wajọ mmadụ. If Ezioku yekwu Ezioku, we know who is Ezigbo mmadụ and we know who is ajọ mmadụ. We can do all manner of things to make money. We may make that money, we may enjoy that money. But at the end of the day, we have our conscience. We have our conscience. Look at the video I was making. A video report to that video. Why are you reporting that video? Because I am saying the truth. You want me to start lying. One day, I will bring out 1 day, 1 week in this Facebook. Use Godo Kwasia. Let me test run it and see how it will move. Then I will compare and see if I am actually doing it right. One day I am going to bring out 1 week to go there see and back to back to 1 week. Will you test here about my 1 year plus of staying in this land, of maybe claiming that I am saying the truth? I want to test both sides to know no kwase they pay much or Ezioku with much. I want to test it. I know that I will do it better than those people who are currently doing it. And what I go, what a program report that somebody came out and said that na ndị dị otu a ada enyere mmadụ aka, whether na fa na-enye aka or na fa enye aka, whether na fa na-enye aka according to you or na fa enye aka. The fact is that message has been passed. Message has been passed, and let us not forget that na ife Okwuluora Ndigbo kwuru uwe eziokwu. Ife Okwuluora Ndigbo kwuru uwe eziokwu. Outside KC Limpopo, our Igbo musicians are not helping each other. They are not helping the upcoming ones to grow. It is not a force. Nobody is forcing you. It is not a forcing matter. Or a forcing matter. It's not everybody that can manage to have money. To honestly, Patrick, that is the honest view. I don't know why that guy will enjoy pull down syndrome. How can you be discouraging people from helping people simply because Nandem unappreciative? Therefore, you will encourage them by how to see the help Mado. That statement alone is supposed to be condemned by, in fact, I'm going to say onye naturally about Ifa Okwuluora and Ifa Jpac onye we gotta condemn Ifa Jpac onye ha ezigbo mmadụ. Go and put it anywhere. Onye ha ezigbo mmadụ, onye ha ezigbo tajọ mmadụ, onye ha ndị na-eme eye service, onye ha ndị na-eme eye service. Yeah? How can you tell me that because they will show appreciation that you should stop helping people? What of you? Do you know you may not have been you may not have shown ingratitude to your benefactor, but that your benefactor will he did not count on Chega. The person still showed you love. Count also on Chege. The question of the balance. If that should be if Jpac message should be your message, then Jpac be a one-man squad. Leave people alone. Hustle on your own. Suffer on your own. Make money on your own. Make money on your own. Stop coming on Facebook every day to come and tell us what people have done for you. These people show me so much love. Despite what you people say about me, despite how you people see a dumb generator, can show him love. Those people showing you love, because I greet you. Those people showing you love. Do you think they have not experienced their own share of this betrayal in Eku? Do you think they have not passed through one thing or the other? Yes, I am asking you. But never put that or cover because you don't want to say the truth. You in a romance yoku, in a romance yoku, and now bagari yoku kiri, and if one maybe see, actually, when I claim on the window, this our brother, and a toku mano, nan yagari yoku, ka okrusu, and nan yagari yoku okrusu. Call a spade. Don't stop coming to tell us why people are not helping people. Be a good ambassador. Be an ambassador that helps to spread love. Don't come and tell us where people are not getting it right. Get it right yourself. Let other people learn from you. Look, let me tell you. If we begin to Ebatana trade fair, let me give you a typical example. Ebatana Spanda. There will a lot of Ndoga. By first, let me start from Mbaneje, Abatama boy. Emi don je kpọta nwa boy na Ọrụugwu. Ọ ka use one we buy. Emi don je kpọta nwa boy na Nnewu. Nwa boy ahụ zuo ya ohi. Nwa boy ahụ zụcha ya ohi. O jekwa kpọta ọzọ. N'ime ụmụ boy 20 ọ kpọtara 5 zuru ya ohi. Ọ ka na-akpọta ụmụ boy. Ọ ka na-azụ ụmụ boy. Ọ ka na-esetụrụ ụmụ boy. Although discouraged because of na Emeka onye Nnewu zuru ya ohi. Na Tony onye Abaga na zuru yohi ọ ka na-eje akpọta ụmụazị na-azụ fa. Now let us go to the level of business our people na-eme. Ndị be anyị do good na ọtụ container. Obi Okeke credit, Obi Okafọ credit, Obi Okonkwo credit. Ilepụta ebe nye ya ego. O nwere ndị a na-ebi credit ahụ elechasịcha afịa ha ya akwụ ụgwọ na-achụgharị ha. Mana aka na-ebi credit n'ime afịa. now no go and need to give you credit. Ya like ke ewolu njọ Benjamin we deny ya ibi that credit here when you know that you can deliver. Ya like ke ewolu njọ Emeka. Ya like egodugo na mba ijekwu Mishak ka ije gbara ya bibi. Mishak ewe na agba na nke onye lu John na John ekweghokwu na because of that na ọ ya agba ego that bibi ọgbaghọwụ na onwe ego ọ gwara na onwere ego mana because of na onye na okeke ego okeke akwụghị ya na ọ ya enyeghị ya ị ga-like ya but ngụnwa mana maybe genuinely that you will pay this money and they need this money so much ewelu maka njọ onye ọzọ jụ na ya enyeghị ya ebulu ozu onye ọzọ n'isi ọdụka ebu ukwu nkụ. I have always told you that the best way to go through this life is by putting yourself in other people's shoes. Adamekuye is on 70% of my life. I try to put myself in other people's shoes. I don't like living a selfish life. Obruni live a selfish lifestyle. My brother, come down. Come down. It will not take you anywhere. It will not take you anywhere. If I na-eze ka ndị ọzọ na-eze, anyị niile zewe onye ga-awụ onye ọma. Anyị niile zewe ya onye ga-emerụ mmadụ ife. Anyị niile zewe who will help people. Anyị niile zewe ya who will help people. Yes, everybody always want to talk about who helped them. Who have you helped? Everybody will always like to talk about who helped them, but they will end up telling you the reason battle hate your help when you're on a need. You see, everybody will like to talk about who helped them, but nobody will want to talk about who they helped. They always have one reason or the other why they don't want to help people. And they area ebe yi esinyelu mmadụ aka not within your capacity help can you do it ebe yi esi wenyelu mmadụ aka and the name not within your capacity to help if I melu mmadụ not okay dia guarantee mmadụ any the guarantor ka mmadụ we nweta ife dị otu a ekwuo na ya guarantee na-etu aka Mr. John si weje guarantee mmadụ one day ngụnwa ya enwekwa something ya need kwa ka mmadụ stand their end for you onye ya emerụ ya eju na onye emerụ ya iwe but will you be man enough to understand no reason mkpatalu Mr. John ejiho stand there as a guarantor for you who the reason mkpatalu ijiho stand there for Mr. Emeka as a guarantor? Will you be less selfish enough to understand that the same reason Iji will turn Emeka down with the same way Victor will turn down? I am asking you, when you see life, because click on like and love. They keep reporting this program. Share this video if you have never shared this video. Because or I might as well end this program. I might as well end this program. Share this video. Yeah? At least we have about 29 people to 30 people watching. Now we see no matter 10 or matter 15, maybe up to matter 20 here. They flow with this message. Say I say that they flow with it. At least let those 20 people share this program. Let those 20 people share this program. It will go a long way. You know what I go? Will you be less reason after you turn down he help people? Now other people will look because of that reason way turn down he help. Now you understand this life will be a better place. But everybody always want to prove that they are exceptional. My own will be different. No, they happen by Okwuluora Ndigbo. Because they stand down as a guarantor. You always want to prove to people that you are different from others. How many times are you willing to give people a chance to prove to you that they are also different from others? That is where the challenge comes from. If you balance life like this, then the man, I live 80% of my life based on that. I am not telling you for you to know, but sometimes I don't really need people to explain their situations to me. I simply understand, because I know that I have been in such situations 1, 2, or countless times. So it is left for me to talk to myself. It is left for me to talk to myself on their behalf. I will simply understand even without them explaining. Okarihe itu ahụ. Ọkwasịrị na onye yi akpụkpọ ebe ọ na-afụ ya ụfụ. Iyi go dị akpụkpọ ahụ times 10, yet you are still claiming, being insensitive, that na ịghọtara ebe ọ na-afụ onye ahụ ụfụ. You see, how can Jpac, who always come to Facebook to tell us, in fact, Okwuluora Jpac achieved a lot of things in this life. He has always ascribed all those achievements to people. He has always associated those achievements with people. Meaning that the people are the engine house running your progress. People are the engine house behind your growth. How can you turn around to tell people to stop doing good things because people are not being appreciative? Are you the only person with appreciation? Are you the only person that has the spirit of gratitude? Are you the only grateful person anywhere in Nigeria and Igbo? So why should people be free to be helping you, not minding what they have passed through, but you are discouraging other people from further helping people? If I say Ndigbo demand an apology from you, although I may take it too far, but nobody demands your apology. Speak to yourself, talk to yourself, and caution yourself. Sometimes before you make some kind of video, one man on that video, came on why we made this video or came in at this video. I repeat, go to all these big. Look closer of more. I like asking questions. There is a reason why Ninja like do so many questions. I ask those questions because by my interaction with you, I must learn one or two. When you come closer to all these big men, ask them important questions. There are some questions you should be asking them. It was Nasanya Ego ha. It was Nasanya Nadonegwe. Oh, yeah, shakily, you know, Obuge drawer, you know, drawer. Omoya can attack over the hanky. You know, out there, Omega pigeonhole mote, and we are anime. And this is on a pocket, so that you can learn one or two from them. Ask them critical questions about their personal lifestyle, about some of the experiences happening in this life. It is going to help you even before you get to the quarter level of where they are. Their experience will get all prepared to go through that stage, so that you don't even make that mistake and you will still get it right. It will help you. Man, even in my own have big man, so he need that by year or to one attack like a blue. So me facing up by you will pay less attention to their lives and experiences. Some of them will bitter this thing. I'm telling you, some of them grown up. They will tell you that this person refused to help me. Then he choose you when you help you or help you. Those are the questions you should be asking. Because God will sustain you. If all know you will sustain you, protect you, bless you. You should pay attention to those parts of their lives, so that you cannot always come to Facebook to come and commit blunder. Imagine, we are all living today at the mercy of people. We are all living today at the mercy of people. That is why even if I ụdị ego nwere ndị ọ na-akpọ ọga ịchọzi eje jụọ ya ife o ji akpọ ndị ahụ ọga ka iwe mara. So this help a na-ekwu is a cycle, it keeps rotating. Ma onye ka ahụ mma ị na-elekwasara anya nwere onye ọ na-elekwasara anya for so many reasons. If we all stop helping today because people we have helped in one place or the other refused to show appreciation, or they teamed up to fight us, or they plotted for our downfall, how do you keep to continue getting help yourself when you know that those people you are going to for help, that some of them have also passed through the same experience in way? If you cannot help people, how do you expect them to help you? If you cannot help people, will you also understand the reason why? In fact, let me tell you, many people, when they give you no as an answer in a wee way, in a wee way. But do you remember that there are also people, you said no? That reason might as well be the reason why somebody said no to you. If you expect those people to understand you, are you going to also understand those people who said no to you? It's just like ije your mad ife. Okwuluora no na-eme onye bịa ya ọrụ ife esi ya no, and the respect ka onye understand ya. Ọrụkwa na ije your mad ife onye asị no na ya agụkọwa na ya understand the qualities onye ajụ esi no. Do you think that ya dey problem? I'm telling you why. I have said this countless times in my program. Now somebody jelu na nke onye ji ụgwọ wee ruo ebe a wee na-ebukọrọ fan na-ebupu ilo na-eburu friji na-ebupu ilo wee jụọ ya o wee sị na ife na-enweghị iwe ewo na ọ na-akpọ this person na phone na onye ekweghị epiki call ya na ọ wụsịdanụ na onye apiki call ya. You know we are good at counting those things. Now ọnọdụ ya ebe ọ na-ebukọrọ ife na nke onye ji ụgwọ ndị keriva na-akpọ ha ndị pampe oje ọgbaji mbibi sinsi blọkụ ha akpọkọtara ya na fon akpọ ya blọkụ ndị pampe wee bịa ịgba mmadụ ụgwọ na that house wee bịara wee mute. Now kedu ka anyị esi ikpe a? Ngwa ngụnwa achọrọ nka ngụnwa kọwalụ m kelu ka anyị esi wee kpe ikpe akịta ọrụ na iwu ndị pampe ọ na ịnọ kịta as a judge. Kelu ka anyị esi kpe ikpe a? Ke ka anyị esi kpe dị ikpe? Ndị pampe mee ya ife o mere onye ahụ ọ bịara na nke ọ ya understanding ọ ya forgive ndị pampe ebe ọnụ ọdọrọ na ọkpụrụ ndị pampe n'ọnụ everywhere ọdọrọ na ọkpụrụ ndị pampe n'ọnụ. But ọkpọ that same thing ndị pampe ya eme definitely nya ka ọ na-eme another person, meaning no were n'aka pass a judgment on himself. I keep telling people now, some of the things you make in this life, he will not pass your judgment on yourself indirectly. Yes. All na mother sport for reasons which may be justifiable or not justifiable. Allow sport any day such problem arises. Maluni will not pass your instant judgment on yourself. That judgment may be justified, it may not be. Why did I say it may? Why do I say rather that no we can do justified? Because only we can weigh genuine reasons why he could not accommodate you. Only we can accommodate you based on past experiences by doing the same thing. You got to go onye can be so onye a nwere ike ịdụ justified, onye a nwere ike ọya adụ. Now ọ bụrụ na nọngụ onye meru this thing na-ekwu to somebody, understand that you have indirectly passed a judgment to that act. Yes, because echi niile ebiakwutekwa mmunwa can accommodate you. You know, I want you to also understand that me saying no to you may be as a result of those two factors mentioned before. It may be because I have done it to somebody before and it turned out bad, It may be that not conducive to render that help. It may even be that I don't want to do it. Will you understand when it gets to you? That is how we keep running around. Because take it, Okwuluora is the one here, and by what Jpac said, it means that Okwuluora is living that life on accusing our people. Because Jpac went to the extent of reminding Okwuluora what some people he helped in UK did to him. The man simply put all those things behind, and he keep associating with those people without bearing grudges. Can't you see that those people, those breeds like Okwuluora, are rare to find? Yeah? Our people are too sentimental. Some of us hate the truth. Thank you, Izuchukwu. Albania Chigozie, compliment. Eh? You see, it is very sad. Let us stop being sentimental. More. If I say madu say no, I understand this thread. In case say madu yes, madu say yes, I understand. Onya say no, I may understand. Even the say I may understand the word because na mo man owolo na ma say onya yes. But owolo pa na onya take a decision man the most likely to take. You simply understand. Life goes on. But the problem I will in Igbo today, if you keep expecting people to do it. If you are no product of that, you enjoy. You can never give back. There is something we call giving back to the society. When society has been fair to you, it is expected that you will be fair to the society. That society, like we refer to, we mean people. We mean people. Like there are people that the journey of their success today the championed by people at strategic places. For example, in a clearing agent, Madu Kojeru, Ojoga, Sioga, Nyonya container, Oriego Akwom, Apollo Orarialo, Apollo Orarialo. The mother bido sheba container iwe ego echi niile o nwere ikpe aya dị ebe somewhere epụta ịnọ n'ebe nwanne na nwanne na-enwe okwu because na onye nke afiru na nwanne ọbịa yọ nwanne ya biko ya kpọrọ ya kpojeru emikris ka emikris bibe ya afịa nwanne eju na ọya eme ọ na-ewe iwe ịpụta ebe ahụ chefu na ngụnwawu a beneficiary of such gestures that na somebody extended that gesture to you. Ịpụta ebe ahụ gbọwapụ ọnụ ikwu okwu gbodogodo ịga ọ bụrụ na onye ahụ kpojeru ndị na-achị ịhụ kọntena chewere ife ahụ nwanne nwoke ahụ na-eche ike benefit were ife iwu today. So let us be careful. Let us be careful. It is very important that naive be careful. Watch what you say. Watch how you take side. Watch your actions. I am saying it. That thing hold. I am telling you the truth. Go enjoy it. Because oh no, my mom can know where Muteva. Onye goba. Osio bashie. Onye goba. Osio bashie. E wese una. Onye isi lacha choba loso tano. Because also. Onwere ike onye isi ha na refer ya ho ngo wuru mu. Onwere ike wuru mu. Send the guy request ice. Amome na Facebook I ekwezi. Send the guy request or maybe a drop or comment can send a comment to because I am a papa man okwero. You got to go. Some of us would not pass your judgment on one abia, and you should begin to ask God for forgiveness. If I am do against it, I cannot even justify it. Carry a shame on mpụta ebe a na-ekpe ụfọdụ ikpe nwanne na nwanne, imechie ọnụ. You told a part of peace. You try as much as possible to be truthful because of tomorrow. Because of tomorrow. Ife melu eji meri onye ọzọ, inyewe reason kpatara anyị eji mee. Inyewe reason kpatara anyị eji mee. A lot of ndị ọgaranya go insulted by people they bring closer to them. Yet it has not stopped them from engaging with upcoming youth here and there. O setụrụ go boy 50, 10 zuru ya ohi, o jiri maka 10 ahụ kpọrụdebe ife a. Onye golu family members 20 aka 5 ga up kpọọ ya onye ọgwụ ego, ọ ka na-enyere family members ya aka. Onye gụrụ ndị ọgọ ya aka, ụfọdụ rie ego, still ọ ka na-enyere ndị ọgọ ya aka. That should be the spirit. Mana ngụnwa pụtazie esi kedu ka ọ esi wee ịma ngụnwa na onwe ehu. Do you know where your help will come from? The same thing is support to hinder help onye ọzọ can also hinder your help, because n'ụwa ka anyị nọ etu a ihu anyị si wee dị iche iche, ka experience si anyị si wee dị iche iche. I send the guy a request or a drop or comment ka nsi ebe a kpọbata. You get me? So let us stop sounding insensitive. Adama like here. Jpac and sound so insensitive, and that is the part of his life I don't like. I don't have anything personally with the life of the young man, but sometimes when they speak, he can only do bitter. When they speak, he can only see from a family suffer a kind of neglect. A family do somehow rejected. I don't want to use a harsh word, but that is the way Nsiafu behave. Sometimes he is always vindictive in nature for somebody who is growing today because of the benevolence act of people. For somebody who knows that he cannot give testimony of his life today without mentioning the names of people all the way, to always find a way of countering people, helping each other. It is very sad. It is more like cutting that bridge which took you to up. A vessel gain neglect upon the days of your humble beginning. A vessel go ladder hitch where you go. All those people in military on your way up, do not cut them off, because you may need that ladder on your way down. You may need those people on your way down. You ought to go. But what we see today, who people talking down, who people going against the way that took them to the up. That is what we see today. You cannot honestly come out and say, Nife Patalo musicians say they help each other. Nife Patalo content creators say they help each other. It's because na higher Koshande man, often they help at all go against them. You have repeatedly said it in your videos that you can never support any upcoming blog again. No one send the message block way or may charge junior ego. You kept on saying it. Now I ask you, all these people who are go to see man, sit down with him, tell him to tell you a story. No story do similar to Ivan Koro. Monkey. Go to Bebioko. Joe Bebioko. No we go. Adama they adding. Or they no answer from you. You gotta go. Okay, let me come invite you out. I see they comment, cancel a comment to try invite you out. You gotta go. J don't know Bebioko don't know what Bebioko. Joe Bebioko Adjua. See, Oga, when activities of people in the past discourage you from helping people, why do you still help people? In fact, all Garanyani man on anchor Nenelu Madaka. Joa Manda in as how to stingy. You have failed to understand the reason battle how to do stingy. But you are also
na-ekwu na ife a ka ihe eme mkpata ego na inye mmadụ ndị mmadụ enyighị enyemaka ifugo experience mmadụ pasị tru ese nwa ahụ akpata ego mfonye ya bịa yom ego ịkpata bụ okwu ego akpatarụ mana ikwuwe n'ife ihe eme na ịkpata ego ịka nọkwa ebe ịka na yo help where people's experience can still hinder you from getting help. We are not being straight. We are not being straight. A na-ekwu ya ọdụ ka asị na amaghị ife a na-ekwu ma na-amakwa ife a na-ekwu. Iwe eju na ya employ ndị family gị na ya employ people ịma not strangers ka ya da employ because of the saying ekwuru na nọ ndị m onye na-egbu ya lara m ibe etowe onye ụmụnna gị ịmabụrụ CV nwa gị chọwa ka ịlụba nwa gị na company ya ọkwa the same reason iji wee turn all down the help people from your area. Why do you want Ibeto to break that particular protocol and not you? You ought to go. It is a simple question. Hey, Oga Patrick, why if Jijo why that bobata mad? Why if Jijo why that bobata mad? I really need to interact with people on this particular matter because we need to know where we are getting it wrong. We need to know where we are getting it wrong. If you know how you want other people to relate to you, relate to other people in that manner. Although difficult, it is not a rocket science. If all I are your mad, your mad, you die. You are mad, you die. I may we will. Come and say, if all I are mad, mad mem, when we were, or mad mem, or when we were, may your mad or you understand the angle now. You will be so insensitive if you fail to understand simply because it is you in the picture. Are you the only person existing in this world? In this world, we have billions of people existing in this world. What makes you think that this world is always programmed to work in your favor? What makes you to think so? I'm dropping this message. The reason why each way George Mado, Monya Hibon, the same reason situation you waste two days explaining to people reason into which way to different. How can your own be different? You have committed the same thing each way to one man Bible. He who is without sin should cast the first stone. Everybody also. Yes, only I don't know without me. Bruise or toward the first to put it. You have just finished apologizing yesterday to somebody who forgave you. Today you are telling somebody, I can never forgive you. May God punish me if I forgive you. But he just finish here, he apologized to somebody he feel no relationship good on your court you lose a lot. Only feel the same way they been going. Now apologize to you. He will look because of it in a where that you can never forgive him for biting the finger that fed him or her. But you have just finished apologizing to somebody who you actually tap the finger say up. Yeah? I think in a major career, if we quit being selfish about this life, it will do us a lot of good. Let us stop being selfish about this life. You don't like giving people lift in your car, but Mado, in fact, when you will call for the raffle, you will anyway. Many days so, a high like he bring them mother a motor. On that happen, Peter Samoto. Mana, if you only will similar thinking with you, you will can you feel the way you were, you cannot do it now. Why did you feel no now supposed to email here? If we simply start understanding the way we live our life, we also understand people's own view of how they live their lives. Do you think Nagane is so? I put it to you. Now that reason each way they will make it way. Then I justify that same behavior. Never John. I put it to you. John on a way in got them mad or Makefa. Nay, your name Bagalubo, no, only can I go since you gotta go. ana m ajụ ajụjụ onye nke na-ayọ since you better go forgive gị. We continue recycling the same lifestyle all over and all over and all over again. How do you want us to get it right? Yeah? Yes, network. You got to go. How do you want us to get it right? We keep being vindictive, especially Jpac. My brother, stop that. Oh no, when then I say right on. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Let me give you another example. Ogechi kwuru okwu maka ịgbarụ jebe na 3 ka ije command ya 3 ka o jee kwuo Ogechi na ndị ya na ya na-ekwu ikwu okwu maka Akụnala Tugbo tụọ ọrụ n'arụsị onweghị ife ikwu fọrọ maka ya. How do you keep condemning what you are doing? Will it be right now for me to say that na they supposed to live with problem? Ebe ọ nọ na Akụnala Tugbo mere ife condemn way. Why are you doing the same thing? Have you now understand how he felt when he did what he did? Have you now seen the reason he was supposed to condemn actions here? Because you may behave in such a way again tomorrow. Okay, let me drop a WhatsApp number here. Onye ọ na-achọrọ ịkọlụ in because afụgo m na this na-ekweghị ka mmadụ bata here. So onye ọ na-achọrọ ịkọlụ in na this program 09615022192. Okay. Okay. I drop go WhatsApp number here. Anybody shall call in this program. You can call me with this number. 2 4 6 8 10. Yes. Bomb na this number. Bomb na WhatsApp. Until you speak out, then you can say what you want to say. Can the man know? Yeah? You see, how are we going to continue recycling this? Many people who condemned Shimarin Temple for ime other Jesus, Ifo Merie, we are the people clapping for Jpac when he took some people to the tree. Who says that now for that thing bad for Mr. Okeke, that it is good for Mr. Okaf? What is bad is bad. If we continue to do selective justice, it will not pay off. Before you are there, a semoku and the enmity between us all the time, we may not have peace. Selective justice, selective judgment, it cannot grow any people. We can simply say, okay, I understand. Only if we mother say, I understand. If you just say you understand this, that you have been in that shoe, you have been in that circumstances, you gotta go. Yes. That is why you simply understand. Hello. One name, you can get them.
Oh, the one of the name. Yeah, but I'm one in the name.
Okay. Well, anything gonna speak out of it's okay, right?
You are free one day.
Okay, what do I need? We are listening.
Yeah. I can one if you know, sometimes. I'm sure they lose more than 5 minutes to straight on kind of life on Facebook because I want to educate that one day with you. Then one day I know one day, yeah, what I feel. I watch it more life here, I don't know about this. I never go to go. Emana, affording that I want Emana sense, I didn't put a sense here. Emana will only lose 40 years. After years, you work only 40 years,
yes.
And because if I'm following over, immediately most of big men, each has a bit. If you make going on away, man, there's nothing like to in your because no why on email, each what people did to you, you won't give 100 naira in your mother.
Yes.
But it doesn't stop when you're with heart of giving and when you're naturally in your mother. Like Okwuluora now, for instance, on Facebook, a lot of people call on Shannon. And I'll stop the guy in your mother. No. Okay, I didn't call mother. So if I want okay, Jpac get on Facebook, now calling you. Now I have to see I call for nothing sake. I follow many, as in the guy now. I don't know no any or make a video. They watch video menu about tomato because this thing all look at now. Because if you analyze the onion does it justify no any city madaka ona if all colocata na onye frebo nda piska nda gasi ndi Igbo artist ya filo for colocata na ka ha ghara inyeziri ndị Igbo ha ghara inyezi upcoming ndị na-agbagota na east aka. So if ọ na-akọ that of point to the thing ha na-akọ okay ihe niile ọ colocata now what of ndị na-enyekwara ya aka na social media because abụ nnọọ o nwere ike Mike kwuo okwu wee nye ego o nwere ife ọzọ ọ na-alụ him on a big man justify even in a location or you to chat big man up or any other because big man have to get a lot of things on even a social media. But it doesn't justify big man in your ego or in your ego willingly. So if all put on a social media now you how do really relevant or support one nyaka amana people will doesn't mean I have to see nyaka. Then we got in the heart of giving and heart of appreciation. Came a child of informer tomorrow. So when I like more the way she a man arise and they talk one name of because anyway people now know Yoku, yeah, that quick now no share because they share go live on my Facebook. On my Facebook page. Share people to go and listen. Share here. Because anyway a lot of people here like okay, Obi Kubana for instance. If you move here, and when a lot of people want to like a winter narcotia, doesn't mean no I have possibility in like okay, that is a life of a human being with heart of spirit and heart of giving. So that is it. People talk to you now, call when you come that means now age is joining car, we are in a lot of people. He said, no. Auto. So, can call him, but what I said in everything is that if and I realize because a lot of things and even social media and I they deviate from if it was him. Only how much if packet I know it was only man, if all the chicken one we support you at the back of the one.
Thank you, Dalo.
Yeah.
Dalo, thank you very much. Yes. So, on that number, in case someone will surely call in, you can call in with that number. So, as I was saying, I will experience side from it. Look, let me tell you, I will go and give a a lot of them not in a position because maybe experiences not even your own experience kids weekend or experience kids weekend. Watch our weekend buy and back. You cannot say that Namana de Bego Ife or Namana de Bego Ife, but you simply learn from the life of Emeka. Are you Emeka? Emeka is not even as wicked as you are, despite him being the victim. I'm not saying we should not be careful. You have to be careful. Being careful is different from imagine. Sometimes I am jack a lot of the big men because I drop easy. Not the problem, the broom can also, and though how when they are as if when you are at the top, you become the topic. Sick of down half of us ya kolo maka ha se ko go ko dey asare se betray kenelu water of ife betray ha kamari ife ngo nwere ike ime. So let us stop that. Let us stop that. There is no atom of preaching that can ever justify the reason why people should stop helping other people. Only in a different kind of preaching. It shouldn't even be a topic of discussion. It shouldn't even be a topic of discussion that you will come on Facebook to come and discuss why people should not be helping other people. Yes, rather, you should come on Facebook to tell people why they should help despite what they are passing through. Because na nne mochie sịrị na o nwere onye nwa nke o ji wee dụ amara m nke m ji wee dụ gụnwa na onwe elu ịmara nke iji wee dụ ọ karịa ihe etu ahụ. We can do better on this Facebook. Let us stop exhibiting all these characters and exhibit for tomorrow for posterity's sake. Oga Patrick,
as you go,
compliment of the season.
I wish you the same, my brother.
Yeah, phone to the speaker.
Yeah, as you go, I got very fast. Now, conduct again. More one on women in 9 years before I'm wrong wine. I forgot to go mother now from Nigeria to here. None of them go full of 8 months. If we are done, no 8 months, na them totally all. Well, even the young man can I come to edge. Well, I'll come along. Well, look all save the for 8 months. West Jebe, Yako, all of on his own.
Yes.
Totono. We had to tackle me on no go. Reason. Can you never them forever? Look at us, track. Yeah, tissue will go back to you. In my tissue, come on something. Or you go get a movie here. What thing the more and everything, you know, all the take here, and you go away to do it or to stay when I just call one and eight. At the end of what he is, you go this guy and I am on.
Yes.
On cause them for 2 years, God of them. Well, what I'm not sure I'm in your mother since young. One one, she got out of that mother, they are them be in a term for almost 9 months before young guy. I can't send a my yellow mother. You only to the one I went to the dojo. You only to the be joining me only in there. Imagine each other here for Magachuku.
Yes.
Just forget about it. You belong with he written out on ya. Because those people said them with the enjoy written out, not just to still appreciate what it was already there. Because what you had a melon. Yes. One thing because one of them, even when they go self. You think I'm an appreciation. I keep him. At the end of the day, they go. Even more, go say I need 1,000 pounds. Wait, you talk near back or something. No, or something. No, if for the thing now.
Yes.
I appreciate that. Because I'm not appreciate. So you got to match us. And then you got to because you know that you man what I don't know when Osaka. But we don't do things like that. You understand?
Yes.
So the matter go or he lift order, he lift the orders. That's how it works. In an annual get million. No. Actually email each in your help. Will be ugly because that's your time. If I now, if I know what like how I can from get back in. If I know like all 3 million. So can you know so take it up now one of the again? Oh, you got to I want to tell us that man. I want to find a man now. He has a very old go here up to the 1 million years. Also, yet it also and so here if I can we are eze pulinda pulinda so mecha video ọ na-echetakwa ihe ọ na-ekwu ka and ọ na video tata echi niile video okwu so contrary to that ihe si ya okwu bụ ụnyaahụ ị na-awọ nda agba mgbe o ji ekwu does play for to say sake ọ na-awọ notice ọ na-eme so my God Okwuluora kpọrọ ihe niile ọ ya agba isi dị onye bụ mmadụ. Daalụ my brother.
Thank you sir. Daalụ. Thank God na aka nwere ndị be anyị ndị ka na-eche echiche ka mmadụ. You should run a program separately talking to those people who are being ungrateful to Ifeoma Emeru ha. Run a program separately addressing those people. Never use their behavior to justify or push our people into stopping to help other people. You still need help. Only can need your help. Some other people may borrow from that message. We're torn all down in favor of your marriage. Need your help. Have you arrived? Jpac. They arrived, bro. You are still struggling. You are still even if MCR you are still learning. Oh, name in LM. Jejo Ndedu Koloma, Orange Network, Oppressor. Jejo Oppressor. Oppressor warrior in a look oppressor now. Oppressor is there, you are there. Meaning you still want to grow up, do oppressor. Or really create content or remake comedy. Go and ask people like Apama. Those guys have grown. You are still praying to grow and achieve the level of success. It is still people that will take you to that place. Those people never feel in a Kwanya. Are they going to do it? Everybody wants to receive, but nobody wants to give. Everybody wants to be heard, but nobody wants to hear anybody. Everybody wants to be understood, but nobody wants to understand anybody. That is the life we are living. And it's very bad. It is very bad. There is nothing in this life that can justify not helping people. We may understand the reason why you refuse to help someone, but it is not justifiable. I repeat, so that you can quote me right. We may understand the reason because mother so I understand, but God already to understand your plight, or understand your pain. We understand, but I no one email that thing. Never cannot justify you not doing that. You wanna go and talk to people, go and discuss with people. Ụfọdụ ndị mechalụ trenu ụmụ ọnkụ ha na skuul. Ọnkụ ha jụ na onye trenu ha mgbe ha gara gụọ akwụkwọ. Ọnkụ ha gbasara ha wikend. Ụfọdụ ndị ọga esetụrụ ụmụ bọyị ha mechalụ nwee daa ụmụ bọyị ha. So that the reason why their children do just akwụkwọ today. I feel that it's a special blessing in doing that. So in terms of teaching our people how to revenge, how to be vindictive, or how it is very bad. There is no level of message that can justify that. Yes. For example, Namamado Burunwayo, I'm not talking to anybody in particular. Namamado Burunwo Okonkwo weputation wefu nwa Mr. Emeka Burunwe. Owe wori fe we pia wa yisi okowa pains o dey feel maka nwa ye mponyo pia wa yisi buru. We understand your pain, we understand how you feel, but it's supposed to be pia wa yisi. We understand the definition. We understand the pains the father might have caused you, because I will not also want to lose my child. So I understand the pain in a pass through for losing your child. But that is not why you should break the head of this innocent boy. Yes. Even though the man who made it, people will still tell you that people will still understand why you did that, but they will still not justify your actions. That is it. onye ọna wonye fụrụ n'anya ya gwa nke ahụ isiokwu. There is nothing you can do to counter helping people. If you don't want to help people, go. Don't even say it. For example, ebe anọ ebe iyo me gongwa na menwehu e ma na menwehu e ma na menwehu e mo reason me njishu na ma ye nye. Man, I can answer you politely by saying I don't have. Whatever thing is, you know, although, but trying to be saying, now reason that need help who because of if do to everybody not around you, be do count over if email fact. I quote again, I have said it before. 60% of why you are angry with some people today, you have done the same thing to so many people. I keep repeating. It's just that honor, if I honor me honor also. Let me remind you people the story I've always told you people here on Facebook. That is why in India do very careful in every single thing on there. You want to go? If you na about nde maka ha, if you na about nde ya waputa and I slander from mother. I know why I am saying that, because I will not like the same thing to be done to me. Now, if we only name that thing and a makaye, it is because share this program. Or to go and kiss you, she got back. They will keep reporting it until no fail again. Or to go and kiss, she got back. They will keep reporting it until fail completely. Do not allow this wonderful program to go off. I beg you. You gotta go. And I click on like and love. Yes. It is because I don't like when you continue to slander somebody's name. But to some extent, the best way for you to understand is for you to have a taste of that thing. Yes, but not using what is done to relate to other people. Let me tell you why some marriages are suffering today. Let me tell you why there is no peace in so many families today. Let me tell you why your business partner seems like he doesn't trust you. Are you aware that the reason why all these things are happening is because these people are judging you with experience hanging with another person? I am asking you. For example, fiancé ye oshobole nombo ne shiti on him owe mudeye owe molo iwe tabasi afofo fiancé ye na ya no hosi committee yes ke na ona monitor see you oyekwe ke puapo oyekwe ke do free oyekwe ke socialize ya ona monitor ena atasi afofo njo onye ozo afofo njo onye ozo ke na atasi na your marriage. Yeah, afofo njo another person ke na atasi business partner you ha trust struggle ikwu ne no ye nyokido na ewute ife na ata wa afofo njo onye ozo or if another person meluye go na agwachizi ke ga ime ye onwere ife imelu, and you may be honest, you may be straight, but no njo onye ozo ke na ata afofo ye. You want to go? It was when mude fiancé ye oshobule nombo wunu ogo ora oni sogari na eme call ofuzi elu ki na eme call with nwanne o ki na eme owulukwe na ife ahụ esi emelu ki na eme e na ata afofo ife ime ho e na ata afofo ife ime ho nwa boy mbo akpọtara usoro ya ezigbo ohi akpọta the second nwa boy ya atabazi afofo ohi nke onye izizi zuru and onye nke a nwere ike odo honest. The reason why people are failing to give you a chance no matter how much you ask of that chance. It's because they are learning from the experience they have before. Do you like it? You don't like it. You like it, eh? You will want to be given equal opportunity into a way when you get disappointed. That is how life is. Now, if you don't like it, do not support it. Do not support it. Yes. Do not support it. That is what I am saying. Because the trees we plant today will provide shelter for our children tomorrow. That evil or bad thing you support today, it will fight back tomorrow. And not in that situation when you get in, you may not even think to know that, hey, manana baby, that thing be a saying, hey, so never we found that we feel. So need to goes away to know the one or be able to in that kind of life. You will always be very careful. You will always be very careful. There is a reason why I don't build 90% of my life and everything around money. Only because I know how money is. But to so many people, ego can easily say, look on a hope. Ego can easily say, look on a hope. But when you use your life and your so many places say be bad mother. No, sure be in a genuinely no we follow activities of others will be if you know you married wrong, if you know you married wrong, you believe you know misunderstanding. Do not repeat it when it comes to your time. Since they understand go, that same situation occur, handle it carefully. That is the only way you can show that they understand them. Man, all that you make people in Kenny menu. The man yeah. So we will eliminate 70% of enmity I may keep, malice and the opo I na show. If we understand the reason people which were taking different decisions are taken, if you understand that there is possibility that when you find yourself in their condition that you may not resist doing the same thing happening, then why are you complaining? Understand. Water man also he explained the way. Yes, he explained the way. Nwanne ka iwu na Igbo, the rate in the Igbo see is spread hatred and division among. It is beginning to be of a concern to me. If it is not to you, then I'm on the one outside. I'm on the one outside. Click on like and love. Maka wobeloge. Nde outside na ndocha. Hana dash me go na page me. Where I report to page me. Mbido hafowa Sanusi Saliman. Arim Mascot. Michelle Sisiniva. Mbido hafowa for that far. I'm on the Harland the one from maybe Hannah. Because Hannah done on only one video program. But no one able to work in a Haluna program or to come on a Kulisi. Mana Woloye Nawa in particular. I am speaking from the deepest part of my heart, and I expect you to understand it that way. You want to go? There is no justification. He justify. He discourage mad, he help mad. No, there is nothing like such. Yes, if people count their experiences, nobody will help you. Nobody will help me. The same help need deliver. ma no take no nya helot iji we entrust okwere entrust one mad o we deliver o ye the whole trial. How will that person be convinced? So the same way if you support ndị mmadụ enye donor people trial before judging them, that is the same way or the same faith that will be for you. Because when you go that trial, and ask you, if you battle, you know, you can make business. Who because na me fail who ye? Kelu konya asiri when you task at all, each way proof ronya ni fail. Why you allow konya try as many people as possible? Perhaps out of 50 people, I am not 30 do kayo. I am not 30 deliver kayo. Man, you just say that justify in them that you use experience. How else were you put into trial? How else did you prove yourself? If not because you were given an opportunity. So why are you coming against giving other people that opportunity? And it does grow till today. And it does cannot appreciate it. Everybody plays an important role in his musical journey. Even the people you don't know. And he does has never forgotten even a commonest person that Newi Nyeriaka in his musical journey, music journey to fame. If we can have people like Annie does, why will Jpac encourage Philo and the Flavor not to help people? Because they help Shandem Mother. I appreciate it. I am asking you, if we can have somebody like Annie Dons and so many other people who always show appreciation, who always talk about people who help them. The day over 10 years ago on the microphone, he said a lot and I pick a lot from Ifoku. Yes. All no onye go na eme business last 10 years. Na go na can eme business today. Or can they do after? If you go you show go yourself approved. How else did he know that you are honest? If not because he tried you. Do you honestly think that before he tried you, he has not tried other people that failed? If he has been looking at those people that failed, how else can he see that ake ushoma no muna omeora one of Enugu akwabata one of Umuochi Idejim one of Nnewi? It is because somebody gave you an opportunity. It is because somebody did not look at his past before giving you a trial, which you proved that you are different. There must be an opportunity before you prove that you are different. So you don't start to say, no, because of no try, no deliver. How did that person come to a conclusion to trust you after many people has betrayed his trust? It is an intelligent question you should ask yourself. So don't come and start bragging to us of how honest you are. Without trial, nobody is going to see how honest you are. But you are here denying other people opportunity to be tried. You are here denying other people opportunity to show themselves. You are here denying other people opportunity for their talents to manifest. It is not good. It is not good. Let somebody take this message to Jpac. Tell Jpac that he should stop moving at the rate Osi move. It is too destructive for my liking. The way he dish out destructive message is very bad. Messages is very bad. How can you honestly support that? That you are supporting Fino and Dotu. What of Ngoma? Do you think that there are no people who feel somehow that they did one favor to you in the past, but you have let them down? Do you think honestly? Yeah? Do you think there are no people who will say, I did this thing for Jpac, and Jpac today, often no blog, we hear that every day. But we all get a seat here down the draw. You will defend yourself from beginning to end. You will tell me how he is lying. In fact, you will like to belittle it, shrink it into a sand. Yes. Let us be very careful. This life I know now too deep. Don't come out, don't rush out to come and start defending nonsense. Don't rush out to come and start defending nonsense. Nke a bụ ka cycle. What if you put in there? It support ndị mmadụ enyesinara ndị mmadụ aka because of omume emesonara ha. You still need help. The same fate will be for you. Yes. The same fate will be for you. Yes. When one of my friends literally just stand there as a guarantor to somebody able or I almost wanted to advise him. In fact, they couldn't something. Then along the line, I have to give him my consent. Because I said to myself, what of all Chekurumado? Can guarantee him something. Onya we because of one thing or the other. Will I be happy? I will not be happy. So why will I support another man who has taken a decision? He is not even thinking if he's going to do it or not. Just a joke about my honest opinion. Because he joined my honest opinion. I will tell you my honest opinion, then I will tell you, but if this is what you choose to do, and that is if you ask me. But if you have taken a decision to do something, I may not discourage you. Only because that thing would same thing. You will get and don't yawe far that thing I said, I always say it, that during the time when matter of your dossier and the mail cannot appeat big. A lady, and you go, I greet you. A lady will be in a comment section where they carry female, the Tilimbu Bagale, no men and Igbo support on wine and multiple wives. She said it being so insensitive because Nail on her Facebook, or maybe because not the same way I see a because everybody want to give judgment. You will always change the direction of that judgment when you are the person not involved. You will begin to see things you did not see when you melted the same fate on somebody else. You will begin to reason the same way you did not reason when it wasn't your brother, when it wasn't your relative, when it wasn't your in-law not involved, because usually only when we have any connection with us, only apple part of us, we always judge that person differently. But I am telling you to an extent, 60% how I live my life. The woman where the child or more than DA just screenshot or comment here. Oh, so na mama honey, na munye mo like any man one fight for more. When na yeso, what a man yamona na kubori mo na mo one zero. Oh, moke we yes time 1 month to 2 months that moke we one one yamori and one zero kata wu ni mulu. One we be wherever from platform to platform, wherever na Facebook, you see there your video, the quiver melo. Always say at the moment don't complain. Dear we would Facebook here, able screenshot or comment. We go say where's your name? Oh no, go comment here. Oh, see there no point near comment, you know. Man, no cruise to go on a cash. No me no. How can you be cashing cruise with another person's pain? How can you honestly be cashing cruise with another person's pain? This is the pain of somebody. Just like the way people cash cruise with Mr. Ibu, just like the way people cash cruise with You will always feel that pain when it is your father that we are catching cruise with Onwe. That is the only way you will tell us that not supposed to respect only one. That is the only way. You way thinking. Yeah, in way restore factory setting. Yes. 2 incidences. I was driving na Zambia, Independence Avenue, one Hilux, GRZ, the Government Republic of Zambia, run into my car immediately after State House. We were break. The man will lead to this man I call a book Kugomotum. Okay, follow the man who lead to or GRZ, a government worker. Ever hot traffic recover about 3 houses after State House. 3 houses after State House. I can take advantage of getting as much money from this man. He won't even hesitate to give me that money. Yes. When Clement, you see, man, the lady about condemn activities of dear, but all justified there somewhere else. We are heading to somewhere. The man and I said, he said, no. Buy motor drive for. Only Obodom Bunihu. If I'm attacking Hanya, because only Obodo, a comote, a already a mutar. Also, now only brush the mobile. A already a mute. Otono Bodo Shabe. Jisapa Nigeria. Bata. Na April last year. Yes. About April last year. Okay, there shall be no Christmas. Yes. Okay, there shall be no Christmas in 2023. Or 2023, no. 2022. Ejwe bata 2023. When na chigata na January, February, March. It should the ending of March or April last year. So my cousin be put in the airport. Okay, my cousin be put in the airport. I went up na airport gate. Ka ikuzi ụgwọ that place on eme epụtanye ha ụgwọ ekwu ụgwọ ka ị chọrọ ekwu ebe ahụ ife ọsọ anyị nụrụ n'azụ anyị ewu gboo wee kurie back boot moto ahụ. Ọwụ na that man na Zakọ I lituo onye obodo anyị na-enọ ha du na-aba na snap number plate the man lituo the man agbakasị ọda ahụ the man lituo wolu kaadị enye anyị worukwa kaadị insurance company ye nye anyị si anyị we should take the motor to insurance company and I know that we should kọrọkwa kaadị ahụ nye chiri that man onye obodo na-aba si na onye wuru the kaadị bla 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 ọ na-aba anyị banye moto pụọ olu echie niile buru moto pụta na town lọwa moto lụchasịa moto in fact my cousin self mụ na ya zọbara onye ya alụ the moto because na nye nwa na onwe ya nwe okwu nsogbu. Now let me ask you a question. Ịghọtago with ife a ngwalụ malụzie na aja ha moto gị bawa ichefuo onye aṅụ na nga na oyiwe anahọ o mepụghị 1 week nji wee gocha moto m Highlander m 2 gates away to my house ka one guy ji Highlander 2013 model wee pịa ihe azụ bọmba m ife a ka dị na moto ahụ wee ruo taa litu abalị m ezigbo mba mana ama nnọọ na mba ka mma abakọrọ ife niile a bikos na ama nna m anya agwada guy nyanye m ego abalị m ezigbo mba mmecha hapụ that guy. Mmadụ one ya eme bikos ịdụ perfect ihe nwe accident ịhada azakọrọ na phone mana aya pọsụ brain ru mgbe ahụ you will forget that you can be a victim of this. Na-aba na ya kwụrụ ụgwọ alụgharụcha eko nke mmadụ echi niile ikwu otu wee Matthew chapter agụnụ ichetara were obi chukwu nyegharị na ntụ ahịa esi wee ku nke rụọ nke mmadụ ka ịkụrụ ife a. I give you another thing. Mmadụ bụ moto wee na-abata wee pụta n'ụzọ, mmadụ wee pịa moto nye moto ya ezigbo damage, o wee na-aba kpọọ ndị polisi abịa, onye bọọsụ kụrụ ya, so ọ kpatara onye bọọsụ anya, o wee gwa ndị polisi, you people should go and lock him up, go and lock him up until onye nwe bọọsụ apụta provide ego a ga-eji were moto a. Ọha na eze ndị Igbo gbakọ na-ayọ ya, ọ na-aba. How can he be careless? How can he be careless? Can ebe driver's license ebe ọwụ na demand eji driver's license, ọ sị ya ọ kwefụrụ ya. Kelee onye dị ife ahụ biri onye a moto. In fact, na that man biri onye a moto bịa si detain all the man. How can you give an unlicensed driver moto ka o buru moto na-akpagharị n'iro? Ọ na-aba na-eji ọma mechaa maka police station ọ kpọrọ uwe ebe ọdụ friendly to wee kpọrọ onye ahụ wee jee kpọchie the man, akpọzie oge na phone, oge gbawalụgba maka ndị a na-ego bọọsụ bụ high purchase, a na-agbagheri na-akpọ ya na phone ka iyi. O wee nagido wee nanutebe ha, mmadụ wee mee ya ka ebiribe ha. Ọ na-ajụzi ha kedu ife na-eme? Ewee gwe na nwanne nwoke ji moto wee gbu mmadụ, n'ihu na ndị mmadụ tiri ife before polisi wee kpụrụ ya. Onye moto o wee wuru ofu moto ye ka nwanne nwoke ji wee gbuo mmadụ by mistake n'ilo. Etiwucha na the guy even to the point that na achọrọ ịmụ moto ahụ ọkụ. I am telling you a true life story. It may look like it's a coincidence, but it happens. It is a true life story. I am not telling you a story so that you can know. This is a true life story. Sometimes come and appear quicker than you can ever imagine. The guy bullshit before we blew the guy we do a police station. The guy went on about now one name work on license because younger brother into a yawo I push up a motor nine or motor nine. I agree. Russia, Jpac for Batapa. To the guy is we promoter. What would you do to in a school? A what I go out on secondary school. Can we just come here, Macondio? A what I go wherever we will motor, we move mad. And we blew the guy. Show you 2 years, even I'm China Motoko. Bujena police station. Aba Hayos wo oti and the guy you license. Oscoman slaughter. Oh, we boom mad go. The guy wait here, well at a post shop. We run a police station. We will see why I'm meeting. Where your back? Where your back? Where your back? Where your back? The rest is history. Now I am asking you, if you are a judge that has seen this from a screen, how are you going to give this judgment? How are you going to give this judgment? Are you going to tamper justice with mercy for somebody who has no atom of mercy? Ọwụrụ na mmadụ kụrụ moto ye, o wee kpochiri na ya alụ ya, o wee lọkụọ mmadụ up, wee si onye biri onye ahụ moto enweghị license bịa si kpụrụ ya bewe. What of ọwụrụzie nọ onye nke ya ka egburu, ọ ya kọmandị ndị mmadụ si were okwute tụgbuo onye agburu nwanne. Do not expect what you cannot give. What you cannot give, do not expect it back. This life is full of give and take. This life is all about give and take. It is not give and not taking. And it is not taking and not giving. If you examine your life very well, you will understand the principle of give and take. How do you want me to judge this case? Do you want me to tamper justice with mercy that he has failed to understand that language? He has failed to understand that language while dealing with Onye Kolomote. So I will leave you now to judge this matter and tell me if you are a judge in this matter, what will be your judgment? So many of us need to find this is how our life is. You always want people to listen to you, but you don't have time to listen to people. You always want people to understand you, but you don't have any business in understanding people. I am telling you that life is not like that. But if you feel that life is like that, continue. One day experience will teach you better. There is no justification in stopping people from helping other people. Only they may stop it. There is no justification why you should not even help people. It is good to get upset. It is good to talk. It is good to react. But I'm telling you, there is no justification in seeing where you are going to help somebody. Go cover something where you need help. You may be, I may understand the reason why you are trying to do that, but I will never justify you for doing that, except on Abraham. Except on Abraham. If people can be helping us, if people can still be giving us opportunity, if people can still be trusting us, I don't see why you cannot help people. You cannot trust people. Onye mara asụ ya sụọ n'igwe, mana onye amaghị asụ ya sụọ n'ala. Jpac. Stop being insensitive. This life is too deep. This life is too deep. This life is too deep. Onye nene onwe ya akwụkwọ, ọ na-apa asị, mana onye ọzọ nene ya akwụkwọ, onye ogwu na ọgịrị ya eju ebe niile. Do not talk down on the lifter that is carrying you, or else that lifter ya drop you will have a taste of your own judgment. I still remain your favorite Zuko.